Wrong tools are holding you back. Inaccurate cuts, dangerous kickback, joints that don't line up. That's not your skill, that's your gear. Today, 20 Amazon tools that solve these problems. Links below. Let's get into it. Tool number 1, and we're starting with safety because nothing else matters if you lose a finger. This is the GRR Ripper Air Ultra 2025. Most push blocks just push. This one controls the board. 3 contact points grip the top, the fence, and the bottom simultaneously. That means no lifting, no slipping, and no kickback. The 2025 model adds air-vented grips so your hand doesn't get sweaty, plus a lower profile for thin cuts. If you've ever had a board shoot back at you, and I have, you know why this is worth every penny. Number 2, the Nick Pro 12-inch compass for woodworking. Here's the problem. You need to draw a 20-inch circle. Your little school compass won't reach, so you improvise with a string and a pencil, and it's never accurate. This compass goes up to 12 inches radius. That's a 24-inch diameter circle. It locks tight, has a sharp metal scribe, and accepts a standard pencil. Perfect for tabletops, arches, or any large curve. Number 3, this tiny tool solves a massive headache. The Sunelf Prod Mini Square Woodworking Center Finder. Finding the center of a board or a dowel is usually a guess. You measure, divide by 2, mark, and you're still off by a millimeter. This little square does it in 1 second. Just butt it against the edge, draw a line, rotate 90 degrees, draw another line. Where they cross is dead center. For dowels, for turning on a lathe, for drilling exactly centered holes, this thing is magic. Number 4, the wheel marking gauge. Pencils are for rough work. When you need precision joinery, dovetails, mortise, and tenon, you need a knife wall. That's what this does. The hardened steel wheel scores the wood fibers instead of pushing them around. Your chisel drops perfectly into that line every time. One-hand operation, locks tight, and it's way more accurate than any pencil mark. If you do hand-cut joinery, this is non-negotiable. Number 5, the Milescraft scribing and compass tool. Ever installed cabinets against a wavy wall? Or cut a countertop to fit a crooked corner? That gap drives you crazy. This tool transfers any irregular shape instantly. Lock the arms, run it along the wall, and it traces the exact contour onto your workpiece. Cuts your scribing time from 20 minutes to 2 minutes. Absolute lifesaver for trim carpenters and cabinet installers. Number 6, the Profiller Multifunction Scribing Tool. This is similar to the Milescraft, but with a twist, curved arms. That means you can scribe around pipes, conduit, and circular objects. So if you're fitting a shelf around a plumbing pipe, this tool traces the perfect half circle. It also works as a standard contour gauge. If you do any kind of fitting work, flooring, shelving, trim, get both scribers. They solve different problems. Number 7, the Klein Tools 935 DAG Digital Electronic Level and Angle Gauge. Your table saw's angle gauge lies to you. Those little stamped marks are not accurate. Ask me how I know. This magnetic digital gauge attaches to your blade, zeroes out on the table, and tells you the exact angle to 1/10 of a degree. 90.0 degrees or 45.0 degrees, no guessing. It's also a standalone level. For perfect miters and bevels, this is the best $25 you'll spend. Number 8, a classic for a reason. The DeWalt 20-volt Max Circular Saw. Over 10,000 5-star reviews on Amazon. That's not an accident. This saw has a 5,150 RPM motor. That's faster than most corded saws. It cuts through hard maple like butter. The 6.5-inch blade is perfect for 2x material and breaking down plywood. And it's cordless. No dragging extension cords across your shop. Number 9, the Wen Electric Detailing Palm Sander. Regular sanders are round. They can't get into corners, so you end up hand sanding the last inch, and it never looks the same. This sander has a pointed tip that fits right into inside corners. It's palm-sized, variable speed, and perfect for finish work. Spindles, carvings, picture frames, anywhere you need a crisp corner finish. Huge time saver. Number 10, the Wen 5-amp Variable Speed Portable Oscillating Spindle Sander. If you cut curves on a bandsaw or scroll saw, you need this tool. It spins the drum, and it moves up and down. That oscillation prevents burning and leaves a glass-smooth finish. Comes with 6 different diameter drums from 1/2 inch to 2 inches. Perfect for inside curves, outside curves, any shaped part. Number 11, the VervaWave Cordless Detail Band File Sander. This is a weird one, and I love it. It's basically a miniature belt sander on a stick, but the belt goes around a thin arm. You can get into slots, notches, and concave shapes that no other sander can reach. It's also great for deburring metal if you do mixed materials. Cordless, variable speed, and the belt swap in seconds. For detailed sanding, this is a game changer. Number 12, the Fantic D2 Pocket Green Laser Level. Most laser levels are huge. You need a tripod, a case, a whole production. This thing fits in your coin pocket, but it projects a crystal clear green cross line that covers an entire wall. Green lasers are twice as bright as red. Magnetic back sticks to any metal surface, and it's self-leveling. For hanging shelves, lining up cabinets, or squaring a room, this is the best $30 tool on this list. Number 13, the Klein Tools 9225 Tape Measure. Klein makes electrician tools, but this tape measure is a woodworker's dream. 25-foot standout. That means it stays rigid when you reach across a sheet of plywood. Giant magnetic hook grabs your framing square or a dropped screw. And the markings are printed on both sides of the tape. No more flipping the tape over to read it. This is the little quality of life upgrade you didn't know you needed. Number 14, the Craig Pocket Hole Jig. If you build cabinets, face frames, or anything that needs strong hidden joints, this is the standard. This is the 3-hole version. It comes with the stepped drill bit and the square drive driver. Clamp it to your board, drill, and you have a perfect pocket hole every time. Add a little glue and a pocket screw, and that joint is never coming apart. For shop furniture and cabinetry, pocket holes are the fastest way to pro results. Number 15, the Ficure Adjustable Track Saw Square. Track saws are incredible for breaking down plywood, but cutting perfect miters? That's hard without this. This square clamps onto your track and sets any angle from -60 to +60 degrees. Lock it at 45, and every cut is exactly the same. Made for Makita and Milwaukee tracks, but fits most major brands. If you do large panels or any miter work with a track saw, stop guessing and get this square. Number 16, the Woodpecker's Spline Jig. Picture frames are weak at the corners. Miter joints are end grain to end grain. Glue alone won't hold forever. A spline fixes that. You cut a slot across the miter and glue in a thin piece of wood. That spline bridges the joint and makes it bulletproof. This jig holds your frame at the perfect angle and guides your router. Woodpeckers makes absurdly accurate tools. This one is worth every penny for serious frame makers. Number 17, the Ezark 6-piece wood chisel set. You don't need to spend $200 on chisels. For most woodworkers, a good budget set is perfect, and this is the best budget set on Amazon. 6 sizes from 1/4 inch to 1.5 inches. CRV steel blades hold an edge well, and the handles are steel capped so you can hammer them without splitting the handle. They come sharp enough to use out of the box, but run them on a stone and they'll rival chisels 3 times the price. Amazing value. Number 18, the Jorgensen number 101 Mini Wood Planer. Sometimes you don't need an electric planer. Sometimes you just need to take off 1 millimeter from a door edge or clean up a glue line. This mini planer is 2 inches wide, fits in one hand. The blade is adjustable, the body is solid metal, and it leaves a finish so clean you don't even need to sand. With the right touch, you can take shavings thinner than paper. For trim work and small adjustments, this is a joy to use. Number 19, the Nico Electronic Digital Caliper. If you don't have digital calipers in your shop, stop everything and buy these. They measure inside, outside, and depth to 1/1000th of an inch. That's the difference between a joint that fits tight and a joint that's loose. Want to know the exact diameter of that drill bit? Caliper. Need the depth of your mortise? Caliper. Checking if your table saw blade is parallel to the miter slot? Caliper. For $20, this is the most important measuring tool you can own. Number 20, saving the simplest for last. The Craig Magnetic Stud Finder. Here's the secret. Most electronic stud finders are terrible. They beep randomly and lie to you. A magnetic stud finder does one thing. It finds the screws or nails in your drywall. That's where the stud is. This Craig version has a super strong magnet and a bubble level built right in. Slide it across the wall, it snaps onto a screw, and you mark the center. Perfect every time. No batteries, no beeping, no lies. $15. Buy 2.